Hi, hello emotional traders. This is Vijay. So actually, uh, we used to do a common statement that only disciplined traders will get success in the stock market. Many times we have discussed about this particular point. But here, the actual topic is what is exactly the disciplined trading? What are the parameters in the disciplined trading? Okay, so we will discuss in detail about what exactly the disciplined trading. So after that, we will discuss how to achieve that particular disciplined trading. Okay, fine. So what is today's topic? What is the disciplined trading? Okay, so many of the people are telling disciplined trading, but we don't know what are the exact parameters we have to take. Okay, fine. Anyhow, I will discuss in detail about this particular disciplined trading. The first point in the disciplined trading is do not change the trading quantity. Do not change the trading quantity, which means that throughout the month you have to trade with the same quantity only. Why? Because trading is a business. Trading is a business. So we should not change the trading quantity again and again. Okay, so this is the first parameter in the disciplined trading. Okay, so what is my meaning here? Say for example, if you take a Nifty, the Nifty current lot size is 75. So assume that if you are trading with 300 quantity, trade entire month with 300 quantity only. In between, don't change the quantity. So assume that on paper we have written this, but suddenly some other parameters will come into our mind and it will disturb us. That parameters, no, automatically we will change the quantity size. Okay, so what are those parameters? Assume that there is a person A and person B. Like we asked them to trade with 300 quantity. Assume that person A is in profit of 3000 rupees with these 300 quantities. So first day, second day, 3 days he is in profit and he earned almost 10,000 rupees. Okay, then automatically what things will come into the person A's mind is, I'm trading with the 300 quantity, currently I'm in 10,000 rupees profit. What if I trade with a 600 quantity, I will get 20,000 rupees profit. So from tomorrow, why can't I trade with the 600 quantity? Then he'll start trading with 600 quantity. No, this is not a disciplined trading. This is not a disciplined trading. Why? Because if he trade with the 600 quantities, he cannot earn the 20,000 rupees at all. Okay, this is the mind management. Okay, fine. So the same way, if you come to the person B, assume that he is in loss of 3,000 rupees. He is in loss of 3,000 rupees. Like what he thinks that today I am in loss of 3,000 rupees. Tomorrow I will trade with 600 quantity. I will recover this 3,000 loss as well as I will get more profit. So he decides to trade with 600 quantity. This is also very, very wrong procedure. Okay, so with this point, like this is the first point we are discussing. What is the first point? We should be very strict to this point. Do not change the trade quantity. The entire month, whatever the quantity you have taken, how the quantity will come based on your risk management, money management, trade plan, trade management, this quantity will be derived. Okay, after deriving this particular quantity, you have to follow the same quantity that throughout the month you have to trade with the same quantity only. Okay, this is the first point. Okay, fine. So we'll go to the next point. Yeah. Trade within the planned time frame only. Trade within the planned time frame only, which means that assume that as per your strategy, 10:15 a.m. you have to take the entry. You have to trade After 10:15 a.m. only you have to trade. But what the trader does, 9 o'clock will come to the market, 9:15 market will open, he will wait 9:25, 9:30. So at 9:30 or 9:40 feels that from here market may go up, or from here market may fall down. I may miss this opportunity. Let me grab this opportunity. With that mindset, immediately he'll take an entry at 9:30 or 9:40. But as per strategy, as per his trade management, he has to take entry after 10:15 only. But before that only he is taking the entry, with the intention of I may opportunity. This is the best place to buy, or this is the best place to sell. I may lose this opportunity, so immediately he'll jump and he'll take the trade. No, this is not the disciplined trading. In this, as per strategy, whatever the time frames we have written, within these time frames only we have to trade. The same time frame only we have to trade it. Majority of the people are trading like this, and this leads to the over trading. So over trading, all discipline goes, and you will not become the successful trader. So the same way here, as per some trade plan, from 12:30 to 1:30, within this time frame I will not trade. So as per your strategy, you have designed it like this. From 12:30 to 1:30 I should not trade. This is the way you have written. You have to follow the same thing. You should not trade between this time. So who are telling this? This is designed by you only. Whatever the strategy is there, you have to follow that. If you are not following, then you are not a disciplined trader. Okay, fine. So what is the second point? Trade within the planned time frame only. This is the second point. Okay, fine. Now, third point, trade as per strategy only. Okay, trade as per strategy. Okay, say for example, here one particular point, if this breakout, you have to take the entry. This is what your strategy, whatever strategy you have designed, your strategy is telling after this breakout only I have to take the entry. Okay, so 9:15 the market started, 9:30 it not reached to this particular point, 9:45 it not reached this particular point, 11 a.m. it not reached to this particular point. Then automatically what you feel? You feel that there is a possibility from here market may go up, or from here market will come down. With that, some random, from here market will go, some random entry you will take. But actual entry is here. You are taking some random entry. Why? Because almost 1.5 hours you are in the market, still it is not coming to your point as per your strategy. Immediately you are taking some random entry. This is the very, very, very biggest problem for the trader. You should not do this. If you do this, you will not become the disciplined trader. Okay, fine. This is strategy also, like in the previous videos we have discussed, entry we are doing in two parts. What is the two parts? In the first part, we will identify the direction, which means that from here market will go up, or from here market will come down. This is what in the first part we will identify the direction. In the second part, after identifying the direction, we will take with the discounted price. We will purchase in the discounted price. Say for example, if you see that this is the breakout, which means that market goes up. So after breakout, like our direction is identified, which means that market will go up from here. But whenever it comes for some retracement, you have to take here for the discounted price. This is what you have designed in your strategy, but as soon as it breakouts, you cannot wait till this discounted price. Immediately you will take some random entry here. Then market will comes down here, it will hit your SL, and then it will go up. As per your strategy, it is perfect. Whatever you have written on your notebook, it is perfect, but still you hit the stop loss. Why? Why? Because you are not able to wait till this discounted price. This is the biggest problem. Okay, so which means that trade as per strategy only. This is the third point. Okay, fine. Next point, do not middle drop from the trade. Do not middle drop from the trade. So what is the trade means? After taking the entry, we have to exit. We have to exit in the sense it should hit either stop loss or target. Right? In between you should not come out. If you are coming out, why to take the trade? Right? After taking the trade, you should wait till it hits the stop loss or it hits the target. Okay? Say for example, 400 rupees. You have a buy entry here. And say for example, 520 rupees is your target. What will happen as soon as it reach 420? Okay, so you will exit here. This is the biggest problem. If you exit here, then again you will take the entry and it will leads to the over trading. Okay, so always keep in mind that do not middle drop from the trade. Once you take the trade, whether it is a correct one or wrong one, whatever it may be, just leave it. It should hit either stop loss or it should hit target. Okay, don't middle drop from the trade. Okay, this is the major problem in the over trading. Okay, so to become the disciplined trader, you have to follow this without fail. Okay, fine. The next point, number of entries as per trade plan. Number of entries as per trade plan. So as per your trade plan, so per day you have maybe taken 2 entries or you have taken 3 entries. Assume that while preparing your trade plan per day I have to take 2 entries only, or you have designed per day I have to take 3 entries only. So after taking these 2 entries, like we should not take the third entry. Assume that if you have a 3 entries, you should not take the 4th entry. Okay, whatever the trade plan, in your trade plan per day I have to take 2 entries means you have to take only 2 entries. As per your trade plan, I have to take 3 entries per day, you have to take 3 entries only. Okay, so number of entries as per trade plan only. This is the very, very important point. Okay, the next thing, okay, do not act as a smart trader. Do not act as a smart trader. So what is this do not act as a smart trader? I'll explain with example. Assume that there is a person A and assume that there is a person B, and his profit is 3,000 rupees. As per trade plan, he achieved this. Okay, he is in profit of 3,000. That's all. He should close this particular trade. But what person A's thing? Anyhow, I am in 3,000 rupees profit. So let me take 500 rupees risk. Let me take 500 rupees risk on trade. Anyhow, if 500 rupees goes also, I'll be in profit of 2,500 rupees. With that mind, with that intention, he'll take another trade. This will leads to over trading. You have to stop this. Okay, this is the problem with the person A. If I take person B, assume that he is a loss of 3,000 rupees, and his maximum loss is achieved today. You have to close the trade. But what person B feels that I'm in loss of 3,000 rupees. Today, let me recover this loss and go. From tomorrow, I'll take a fresh trade. Arey boss, tomorrow also there is a trading. Tomorrow also markets will be open. This 3,000 rupees loss you can recover tomorrow also. Why to recover today only? But many of the people, they wants to recover today only, and he'll take another entry. And here again he'll go to the over trading. Maybe he may recover this minus 3000 to 0 rupees, but if you see the transaction cost, it will go to 5000 rupees or 6000 rupees. Don't do this. Okay, so these are all the 6 parameters, like whatever we have written on our notebook or we have written on our laptop. We have to follow this. If you not follow, then you are not a disciplined trader. If you are not the disciplined trader, then you cannot get success in the stock market. Okay, so now the actual point comes, sir, everyone says that this is the disciplined trading, this is the disciplined trading. Now how to achieve this particular disciplined trading? This is the biggest problem, how to achieve this. Okay, so achieving this disciplined trading is not one day process. It is not that like writing down all the points in the notebook, and we cannot follow that in the live market, which means that we have to practice this. Every day we have to continuously practice this. Then only we can achieve this. But anyhow, we are conducting a program how to achieve this in detail, like what are the parameters and what are the tools, what are the manpower we required to achieve this and all. We will be discussing in detail in the coming videos, and definitely for sure we will achieve this. But as I said earlier, it is not that the 6 points is there. If I write down in the notebook all 6 points, and if I follow that, majority of the people, everyone knows that there is I not invented anything in this particular video. Whatever I have explained, all are known things only. Everybody knows this particular points, but still the people are failing to maintain this. Okay, definitely we will help how to maintain this particular points. In the coming videos, we will discuss in detail about. So hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you very much. We will meet in the next video.